The Korean company Samsung has an amazing series of smartphones which causes the great interest to me personally. Of course, I'm talking about Galaxy A series, and now I'm going to tell you everything we know about 3 new Galaxy A's. Greetings to everyone, my name is Osoznan, and before we start, I suggest that you subscribe to my channel and ring the bell. Let's discuss the news. Samsung has confirmed to hold their new event on March 17th. Aptly called the Galaxy A event, it's where Samsung will likely reveal 3 new mid-tier phones: the Galaxy A73, A53 and A33. The former two will succeed the Galaxy A72 and Galaxy A52 that were announced in March last year, and the A33 will be an updated version of the A32 that came out in February 2021. Famous leaker has shared what looks to be a teaser for the event where the new mid-range smartphones will be unveiled. Leaks suggest the new affordable phones will be largely have the same specs and design as their predecessors, but will be outfitted with new processors. The Galaxy A73 is expected to sport a 6.7-inch AMOLED panel with a pinhole front camera, a high 120Hz refresh rate, up from predecessor's 90Hz, and in-display fingerprint reader. The phones will allegedly be powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 770G, which fuels the likes of Motorola Edge and Honor 50. This will make it a 5G ready, which would be biggie considering the current model is LTE-only. Although most rumors agree that it will retain a quad camera setup with 64 megapixels main sensor with OIS, a 12 megapixel ultrawide unit and a 5 megapixel depth sensor. There are disagreements when it comes to the force sensor, with some saying the telephoto camera will stay and others claiming it will be replaced with a 5 megapixel depth module. Rounding out the alleged specs is a 5000 mAh battery with support for fast 20 watts charging, IP67 rating, NFC and stereo speakers. Next up is the Galaxy A53. Last year the company introduced the A52 in both 4G and 5G flavors, but this year it might only release a 5G model. This one will apparently be outfitted with a new mid-range Exynos chip built on advanced 5nm process and a 5000 mAh battery, which is 500 mAh bigger than the cell in the A52. The screen size will likely remain the same at 6.5 inches. Lastly, there is a Galaxy A33, which might also be powered by aforementioned Exynos 1280 system on chip, but there is also a possibility that it will be equipped with MediaTek Dimensity 720. In addition to a faster chip, new this year will be IP67 water and dust resistance and faster 25-watt charging. Samsung sold more phones than any other manufacturer in 2021, and its most popular phones last year was actually an A-series phones, which underscores the importance of its budget handsets. But if you'd rather go for a premium smartphone though, the Galaxy S22 series was introduced not too long ago. So, do you plan to upgrade to the new Galaxy A this year? And if so, which model do you find the most interesting? Your answers, as always, you can leave in the comment section below. I will definitely read everything and I will answer the most interesting comments and give hearts from the channel. If this video seemed interesting to you, do not forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and ring the bell. My name is still Osoznan and I'll see you guys in the next one.